We are going to do something extremely stupid because we are bored. This is my iPhone 4. I've had it for about 3 months. As you can see, it is real. We are going to shoot this iPhone with a .177 caliber steel BB pistol, Beretta. Point blank range. Pow. With my Otterbox on it. So, let's get this on here. Can't believe I'm going to do this, but I did not get this for free, as most stupid-ass YouTube people. So, this is totally... Maybe Apple Care will take care of it if it's damaged. So I did buy the Apple Care. So maybe they will... Can't see the cameraman. I can... So maybe Apple Care will take care of this if this gets shattered and or broken, because I don't like defects on my phone. Okay. I probably should put the back on. Shit. The Invisa shields don't like the Otterbox, I'm not gonna lie. I'm done. There. I probably just have to skip ahead of this part because I'm not editing it out. There, it's on. Maybe the silicone skin will stop it, or the steel BB will go right through it and shatter the glass on my iPhone. And obviously I am not shooting the front of it, as you can see that is not a very durable screen protector. Let's get this on nice and secure. This is my current case, as I needed something very thin. That is the Razer logo, because I'm a lame ass. Alright. Case is on. Everything's functioning. And here we go. Take off the safety. As you can see, this is a CO2 powered rifle or pistol, and it is using copper BBs, copper, steel, whatever. Can't believe I'm gonna do this. All right, here we go. I hope to God it didn't. So there's a little dent in the silicone. Oh, it broke through it. That's not good. Ooh, look at that. I really hope that didn't touch my phone. Oh, I'm gonna cry if it did. Does it still turn on? It still works. I'm really scared. Oh, it did touch it. It did touch it. Oh, God. It didn't shatter. But it did touch it. It's not that bad, I guess. Focus in on here a little bit. It's not that bad. Everything's still working fine. Some flash on there. No, what greasy fingers. I think that's just an impact damage. Well, that was me being retarded and shooting my phone.